everyone. This morning I'd like to show you a tutorial about how to do a braid with just one scarf. The importance of it is just when it's hot or you don't feel like wearing two scarves, it's a nice little thing to add to your look. So here goes. I am going to remove what I'm wearing right now, which is two scarves, and the tutorial will only be with one of them. Now, I'm going to begin with a side braid and then I'll do the braid on top as well, just to show you two different ways of doing it. So, you put the scarf on your head, one end longer than the other on the side where you want to have your braid. You cross the sides over at the back, bring them up, and I can see that this side is too short. So what I'm going to do is redo it. You have to have it at about 1/3 and 2/3. Cross over, bring one side from the top and one from the bottom, and tie a knot. Now, a braid has 3 strands, so I have 1, 2, and the magic is using this one here as the 3rd. That's all you have to do. You put one in the middle and then the second in the middle, and then you weave this one underneath and pull it out, and then this one in the middle and this one in the middle, and weave underneath and pull it out. Now, you can leave the ends hanging, or you can tack them in at the back, or you can put a hairband or a pin, something like that that you'd like to decorate it. Just a small variation is going to just add a little bit of color. Here, I'll undo it this way, and I'm taking this lacy scarf and I'm going to put it through, and I'm going to braid with the lace, and then it adds a pop of something else, but I'm doing it the exact same way I did before. One in the middle, 2 in the middle, and then pulling. Now this one got a bit messy, so I hope you got the idea. I am sorry for not being very professional. This is the first ever tutorial I've recorded. Now, to do the braid on top, all you do is put the 2 strands on top, and again, you put one in the middle, the second in the middle, and kind of weave underneath the 3rd one because it can't be lifted up. And then again, one in the middle, second one in the middle, and then lift this one up and weave underneath. And again. So, then you have the ends which you can leave hanging, you can tuck them at the back, whatever you like. So, this is my little trick for doing a braid with just one scarf. Hope you enjoy it. Have a lovely day.